Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Okay, so today we will go into 6.2 meiosis. Okay, so previously you have done exercises that I've given. So some questions are about mitosis and some about meiosis. Okay, so basically meiosis is a process, okay, to produce gamete cells that contain half number of chromosomes. So in other words, it's haploid lah. So for example, if the parent's chromosome is 30, so the gamete cells or the daughter cells should be half of the parent's number of chromosomes, which is 15. Okay. So meiosis only occur to produce gamete cell. Okay, gamete cell is a reproductive cells, okay, such as sperms and ovum for human, and it is produced in reproductive organs, okay, such as testes or female ovary. Okay. So other than gamete cell, okay, such as somatic cells or what we call as body cells, they are all produced by mitosis. Okay, only meiosis is to produce gamete cells. Okay. So the importance of meiosis is definitely to produce haploid number of chromosome, because we as normal humans have 2N. So in order to produce gamete cell, okay, because the fertilization will produce 2N, we produce diploid. So the gamete cells, okay, or sperm and ovum should have N, okay, should have haploid number. So when the fertilization occur here, so the formation of zygote will have diploid chromosomes number. Okay, and the importance of meiosis is to promote genetic variation. Okay, and we will see which phase of the meiosis that contribute to the formation of genetic variation. Okay, here is the beta diagram. Okay, meiosis, okay, from different parents, paternal and maternal. Meiosis, half the number of chromosomes, and when fertilization occur, okay, it will form back the normal chromosome for human, okay, which is 46. Okay, so I get every one of you might be confused. Okay, which one is the what is the homologous chromosome and what is the sister chromatids? Okay, so homologous chromosome is two sister chromatids. As you can see here, this one set we call as a sister chromatids, and they have a centromere, okay, where the chromatids join together. And a homologous chromosome is two identical sister chromatids side by side. Okay, what do you mean by identical is when the same sister chromatids have the same length. Okay, kamu nampak kan dia punya length tu sama, and the same size. Okay, and the location of the centromere is also aligned, also parallel to each other, as you can see here. Okay, same number of same size, same length, and the same location of centromere. And that is what we call as homologous chromosome. Homo means same, similar. So meiosis have two stages, okay, different from mitosis. We only have one, okay, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, and the stages for meiosis is also similar with mitosis. As you can see here, we have prophase I, metaphase I, anaphase I, telophase I. So basically it's the same number but different numerical lah. Okay, meiosis 2, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2. Okay. So in meiosis, you need to focus on what happened in prophase I. Okay, this is where the phase that contribute to genetic variation. Okay, out of the 8 phases, okay, prophase I is the stage that contribute to genetic variation. Okay, and you need to be familiar with the new terms that will it might confuse for the first time, but as long as you keep on reading, you will understand it. Okay, so in prophase I, okay, the chromosome behavior is what we call as chromatin. Okay, chromatin is like a thread, macam benang. Okay, tak ada bentuk yang tetap dan dalam benang yang serabut. Okay, so dalam prophase I, the chromatin will shorten. Dia akan jadi pendek dan dia akan thicken. Maksudnya dia akan menebal. Barulah kamu nampak kromosom tu under mikroskop lah. Okay. And when the chromatin dia jadi kromosom, okay, yang macam dengan bentuk X tu, okay. So and this homologous chromosome, okay, dia akan dia akan cari dia punya pasangan. Maksudnya homologous chromosome yang sama size dan sama panjang dan sama location centromere, dia akan cari dia punya satu lagi homologous chromosome, okay, untuk connecting. Okay, connecting ni kita panggil proses untuk mencari ni, proses untuk connect to homologous chromosome, kita panggil sebagai synapsis. Okay, and when synapsis occur, 2 homologous chromosome, okay, homologous pair, this one diagram tu, 2 homologous pair, this one kita panggil synapsis, dia tengah mencari manalah dia punya identity, manalah dia punya homologous chromosome yang sama. Okay, bila dah cari, dah jumpa, okay, and the process of exchanging genetic materials kita panggil sebagai crossing over. Okay, synapsis is a process of connecting homologous chromosome to form tetrad, ataupun kita panggil sebagai bivalent lah. Okay, either one which is familiar for you to remember, you can write it as tetrad or bivalent. Okay, and then when the tetrad and bivalent is formed between a homologous chromosome, so the process to exchange genetic material occur. Okay, yang kita panggil sebagai crossing over. Dan tempat where the crossing over occur, okay, kita panggil sebagai chiasma. Okay, so there are many terms that you need to remember. The first one is synapsis, is the process where the homologous chromosome finding their partner to form bivalent. Bivalent ataupun tetrad, maksud ada 4, maksud ada 4 sister chromatid. Okay, bivalent. Dan bila dah berlakunya bivalent ataupun tetrad, okay, akan berlakunya proses crossing over. Okay, overlapping of the genetic material, exchanging of genetic material at the site of where the genetic material exchange is called chiasma. Okay, ni kalau kena banyak hafal, kena baca sendirilah. Okay. Okay, here homologous chromosome, 2 homologous chromosome. Okay, crossing over between non-sister chromatid, maksudnya bukan dari kromosom yang sama lah. Kamu tengok ni kan, ni color hijau, ni color merah. So kita panggil non-sister chromatid, maksudnya bukan daripada homologous chromosome yang sama. Dia lah kalau sama kan tak berlaku lah genetic exchange kan, mestilah daripada non-sister chromatid barulah boleh berlakunya genetic material exchange, barulah boleh berlakunya genetic variation. Okay, so exchange of DNA between non-sister chromatid, so kamu tengoklah. Okay, dalam diagram dia guna color lah supaya kita nampak berlakunya pertukaran genetic materials. Okay, and interesting fact, okay, the longer the homologous chromosome, okay, the more chiasmata that can be formed. Okay, maksudnya when the chromosome is longer, okay, more genetic materials can be exchanged, so more variation can occur lah. Okay, so basically sama. Okay, when the Prophase I genetic materials are exchanged, okay, after prophase, and then we go to metaphase, anaphase 1, and telophase. So for metaphase 1, okay, you need to remember the difference between mitosis and meiosis. For meiosis, okay, gamete cells, the term yang kita guna bila dia align at the equator of the cell, kita panggil sebagai homologous chromosome. Okay, bukan sister chromatids. Okay, sister chromatid untuk mitosis. Sekarang tengok kan, dekat equator of the cell, homologous chromosome. Okay, dua homologous chromosome yang sama align at the equator of the cell. Okay, macam misalnya spindle fiber dia akan attach dekat centromere. Okay, untuk ke proses anaphase. So spindle fiber tu dia akan shorten. Okay, dia akan tarik the homologous pair to the opposite pole of the cell. Okay, and the sister chromatid still remain attached at the centromere. Okay, bila homologous chromosome tu dah terpisah, so jadilah satu sister chromatid kat sini dan satu sister chromatid di sebelah opposite pole. Okay, okay, and telophase 1, nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear. Okay, nak hasilkan balik satu sel yang baru. Spindle fiber pun disappear. Okay, and cytokinesis pun berlaku lah to divide cell into two. Okay, dan dah jadi haploid. Okay, daripada ada 4 tadi kan, dah jadi 2. Kamu tengok sini kan. Okay, okay, so meiosis 1 dah habis, and meiosis 2 bila dah homologous chromosome separated, so jadi dah sister chromatid dalam satu sel dan jadi dah sister chromatid. Dan meiosis 2 ni basically similar to mitosis. Sebab mitosis pun dia involve only sister chromatid. Jadi bila dah meiosis 2 tu dah habis, dah jadi sister chromatid. So meiosis 2, bila meiosis 1 dah habis, dah hasilkan sister chromatid. Jadi meiosis 2 basically samalah macam mitosis. Okay, sister chromatid. Jadi kamu tengok ni ada sister chromatid. Di metaphase tu bukan lagi homologous chromosome yang pair. Dia dah jadi sister chromatid. So, kamu tengok kat sini kan. Sister chromatid pun sister chromatid. So bila anaphase tu, dia akan tinggal chromatid je lah. Okay, satu tu kan. Okay. So kamu kena ingat, saya banyak orang yang akan confuse. Okay, sama ada homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome untuk meiosis 1. Okay, meiosis 2, sister chromatid. Okay. So kalau ada apa soalan boleh tanya saya.